You were saying what?
I'm going to show you guys my shopping. I got me these mangoes. They're super sweet. When we went to the seafood market in Sydney, I bought some of these mangoes dipped in chocolate. And Elvis said that this is really sweet, this mango. Do you know what this mango is called, Daddy?
We got a tree like that in the back of our house, so
What's it
I
called?
know. Mangoes.
So that's how he knows it's sweet, because he's got a tree at the back of his house. And I got some potatoes. I'm planning on peeling them and roasting them. And then I got a $5 peanut. So when me and my honey bun watching TV, we're gonna peel some. $5 a bag. And we went to the butcher, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got some loin lambs. Right. Handle it with care. Bring out, show you guys. Yeah, and my little tie up. Paki was open so I can show you guys. Yeah, so roasted potatoes with some loin lamb and barely any vegetables, okay? Yeah, lava nga, yo pau nga li shopping mo li ato ngay. Ia papekaya re join mai fale shopping li kay wailoa, okay?
Yeah, back. Ours pork belly.
Let me show you his pork belly.
Yes.
This is the size enough for us.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes you get it, right? And it's got some nipples on. It's like, ew. But this one don't have any. And he got a big chunk of, I'm not going to pull it out because it's a big chunk of pork, but this
The
one
shoulder
is the
pork.
skinny one. And I just touched it. Ew. I'm going to go wash my hands now. I'm going to go in the toilet, guys, and wash my hands. So see you later.
No, what's the shout out anyway?
My shout out, Tanya. I can't find the
You
name.
tell them.
Who's at the granudo?
That's me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Go, guys. This is so I got the broth. Looks good. And I've got this. It's Chinese cabbage, a lot of bean sprout. Underneath is megari noodle. I've got the prawns. Ooh, look at that, guys. Looks nice. Anyway, Elvis isn't having any because why is that, darling? Why aren't you having any?
I had a big breakfast this morning. I know it's 4 o'clock now, but this morning I had 2 ham steak with 3 eggs and toast.
And you've been full ever since.
Yeah, old bags get full easily.
He's talking about himself, guys. Old bag, tangaroa.
So I'll wait till tonight. Tonight I'm having tuna and rice tonight.
Dip.
Dip, about 6:30.
Yeah. Anyway, back to the important part is my broth and my yum. And now I'm gonna have my drink. Cheers, guys. I just did my prayer. So she always gotta.
The new chef forgot to do the one time.
Oh, thank you very much. Now that's okay. Look at this, guys. Darling, can you see the camera? Can you put the camera on my wrong tongue?
Yeah.
That's what the man brought. I'm just teaching Elvis how to film, guys. So if the cameraman is pakaru the business, not my fault. I'm trying to teach this man. And sometimes it's ringa, does it ringa. Hey, darling.
I gotta go to night school, that's why.
Yeah. So, wanga night school. Seku uya.
You know, night school.
Yeah. Cheers, guys. It's my lemon and bitter. Hold on. Whoa, but if you come in, let's come on. Malang camera. Thank you, darling. Yeah, you learn from the best camera lady. Whatever. Anyway, I've got a check what's underneath all those bushes. Put the bean sprout in the soup. Clever me, clever me. You know why, guys? Because it's a bit crunchy, you know, on the raw side, and if I put it in here, wanky like here. Anyway, let's try out the soup. Here, guys. Yeah. Hello. Is the camera on properly? You better. Yeah. Taste, guys. Yeah.
Professional.
Yeah, professional lau me poe aka. Oh, ka lo fai so ko lua. Ia poe fa lei o ia masai ka lo fai o ia. Yeah, okay guys. The man gave the wrong tone. Yeah, take a bite guys. Yeah, see, wait a minute. Yeah. Give it a try. The basile flavor of the wrong tongue. Thank you, Mr. Maya Mupia. Oh, I'm gonna put some in the broth. Okay. Overlook your professional. And now look. Here, try noodle. Yeah, have some noodles, guys. I don't know, my husband's camera looks like it's facing down only.
What else? You gonna choke?
You know, I'm laughing at your face while you're watching the camera, eh?
I'm a professional. I didn't even start the night school yet.
And you passed already, you reckon?
Passed already.
Yeah. Right, guys, it's the beautiful prawn. Yeah. It's a bit chilly, guys. Tell you the truth. I didn't know it was spicy. Yeah. Nice broth. Yeah, you put me out there. I don't know what this is called, guys. Daddy, what do you think? It looks like a fish cake. And then they slice it, you know, mince up fish, then they slice it. Tastes very fishy. So that's how I know. Want some, darling?
Later.
Burgers. I look up, the camera's not even, and he's looking over there. Oh, Father, this noodle is so hot, Daddy. Oh, God. I've been really laughing. Sorry, you know, that's one. All right? I have a shout out. Okay, I haven't been doing many shout outs, but my sister, she mailed me and said, sis, I have a favor from a family friend named Sophia Sue. She wants, you know, for me to give a shout out to her mother-in-law and her sister-in-law, and I would be happy to do that. I appreciate you guys watching, you know. Anyway, guys, so that special shout out that is requested by Sophia for her mum-in-law and her sister-in-law goes to Malia and Bernadette Blakelock. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. Truly appreciate that. So
I remember Sophia Sue too, long time ago.
Yeah.
And she got a sister called, I forgot now.
Janet.
No. That lives on Carlisle Ave. Used to live.
Jane.
Jane. Is that Jane?
I call her Janet.
Yeah, Jane.
Sorry, Sophia.
And their father lives in Shelby.
Yeah. He was a friend of ours, wasn't he, Daddy?
Yeah. That's how I remember. It rings a bell. Lamlasu. Yep. That's the one.
Yeah. So unfortunately, he's not here with us anymore. But he was a good friend, and he would always advise my husband, hey, Daddy.
Yep.
He used to give really good advice to you.
Yep.
Yeah. And sometimes you don't listen, so he tells you off next time he sees you. You got no taringa. Guys, he got no taringa when his friend advised him something, and he finds out he didn't listen. Yeah. Next time he sees, shh, I told you, okay? Yeah, see? And that's what he gets, because his taringa's not working. So Lamlasu has to tell him, shh. Yeah, not that. But that's my shout out, guys. Thank you so much, Malia and Bernadette, for watching my channel and any videos you can watch. I appreciate it. Truly appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys too for taking the time. The ones that's watching now, I appreciate it. And the ones that used to watch, I appreciate you guys too. Because stop rolling your eyes behind.
And it's coming from Elvis too. Thank you.
He was rolling his eyes at me. Because I'm taking the long version to explain. But guys, I gotta say thank you to everyone. Say stop it just because your hands are getting sore holding the camera. You gotta learn. Do you know how many hours I had to hold the camera without your help? Eh? Yeah, yeah.
This is the first and the last.
Eh, but I fast masay kalau fight. I say bye there. Yeah, nah. Night school, morning school, afternoon school, half after school, and detention school. That's what you're getting. Yeah, but anyway, guys, thank you very much. Thanks for hanging out. But I can't eat any more of this noodle. I'm gonna bag it up and take it home because my kids can't have it. Cause I can't hack the chili, guys. I'm not that. You know, my tongue goes ouch. Okay, my heart goes yum, and my tongue goes ouch. Guys, I had to pass it over to Elvis. Unfortunately, the chili was winning its case, and I chickened out and decided I was going to take it home, but Elvis said, pass it here. Okay? So here he goes. Elvis's mukbang, take 5. Have some Chinese bok choy, Danny. It's nice, but it's chilly, eh? Mm-hmm. I don't know if I had a dim sum. Oh, yes, I did. And it was really nice. It's like a wonton dim sum. It's all the same, eh? It's like wonton, dim sum. See, he said he's not hungry, but look at the plate, it's empty. Good on you, Daddy. Get it away.
They call me the rubbish bag.
You call him the rubbish bag, he call himself rubbish bag. You know how parents, when their kids have leftover food, and then they say, here, he says, here, pass it here, I'm the rubbish bag. So sometimes he doesn't ask for his dinner, but he waits for his kids' leftovers when they were younger.
I'll save my tuna for tomorrow.
You mean after poker? Are you going to poker tonight, Daddy? You're not going poker? I cannot believe it. Is there no poker? Is that why? There is. What if Noah says you go poker? Are you going to say no?
Yeah.
Pepelo, yeah. So far, last week, he made a nice little profit for himself.
Yeah.
So it was good, eh, Daddy? Yeah,
Nearly $1,000.
yeah. It's good pocket money, hey, Daddy?
I went and saved it.
Yeah, he went and saved it. Yeah. You know, before, when my husband used to win something, he'll give me a $50 here and there. Not anymore.
I gotta save it. In one of these bottles, I use for my Mickey bottle at home. So,
Tell them how many Mickey bottles you've
Oh,
had
maybe
since
two.
since I've met you.
heaps. And I see bottle like this. Yeah.
Yeah. He always collects the bottles and he makes himself Mickeys, okay? He may or may not use the Mickey, and then a week or two later, probably 2 weeks later, it gets thrown in the bin. So when my kids clean up, right, they just chuck his Mickey bottles in the rubbish.
Then I'll find another one.
Because if they know he uses the Mickey bottles all the time, they'll leave it. But they know he just makes it just for the show, just because he knows he made it. It makes him feel good. But whether he uses it or not,
It looks pretty.
that's it. You make it for nothing most of the time.
It looks pretty.
And then, guys, he even has those big Jim Beam bottles. Look, guys, after a whole year, right? Remember, I bought this barbecue from Costco. This is the first time we started cooking it. Cooking in it, I mean. There we go. My daughter-in-law put it together. There, she put it together. It only took a year, guys, because that's how I do things. I buy a whole lot of stuff and I don't, open it up. But here's the first barbecue since we bought the barbecue. And we got a gas barbecue that hasn't been open too, and that was like a year. Anyway, guys, see, it's cooking nicely. But I want to close it. Let it cook. Bit more. Here, guys, we got wings, chopped, salad, zucchini, roast capsicum, and potato salad. That's my plate.